Calista with a Hunger Games. Hope you enjoy. 3, 2, 1, go. Ow, ow. No, run, run. Wait. Want team with me? Want team with me? Insane. You want team with me? Okay. Right. Okay. Help me break this. Do you have a sword or anything? Help me break this cobweb. Oh, calm me. Calm me down. Help me! No, he got me. Conman, you're out. You're out. Conman, you have to spectate. Let's see what these guys are doing. Oof, the battle. Come on, Instant, you got this. Eat, drink the potion, I know, you can get in the lava. And then he won't get you from the lava. Oh, never mind. Run! Stay back there, just stay back there. You can survive this. Okay, turn around. Get him. That's easy. Because you have knockback. I know he's stuck. No. It's saying you got a chance. I know you have a chance. You could have boosted him in the lava. Oof. Come on. Oh. Get his loot. He had good loot. Wait, who just died? Who's that just died? Okay. It was G Money. G Money's left and Fazil. Oh, come over here. They have diamond boots over here. At this house. There's 3 houses. The one on the right. I think so. Come here. I know. Oh, there's someone shooting you. That's Fazil. Come here. You can come over here. Yeah, go that way. There's diamond boots over here in this house. Watch out for the lava. It's right there.
Oh, he's not gonna die.
You have boots? Get up here. Oh, he's shooting you. Watch out. on. Da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Can't you enchant them? Oh, it's nothing. Where's Conan? Why would you even try that? Because that's risky going all the way up there. No, could you be? Yeah, you can destroy it. Behind you, behind you. That's G Money. Yeah, he's dead. I think. No, he's still alive. He's still alive. He's still alive. He was still alive. He didn't die. He's up there. Oh, oof. G Money, you're getting double teamed. Come on, G Money. Come on. I'm rooting for you this time. Oh my god.
Not fair.
Okay, now I want more. You guys are gonna go into the death match. The death match is gonna start. You guys gotta fight now. Okay. It's Fazil and Insane. Oof, oof. Katniss, come on, Katniss. Oh, he shot him off. The rule's a rule. You have to stay in the deathmatch arena. He's not there anymore. He's back in his base. Not me. Oof. 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 And Fazil is our winner. Shout out to Fazil. Add him on PlayStation. Wait, it's PB Hazel. PB Hazel. That's his name. Shout out to him. Add him on PlayStation. Thanks for enjoying. Bye.